How to get quality backlinks in 2023. 12 ways that really work. SEO is a game of poker with your competition, with Google as the dealer. The only exception is that everyone must play with their cards face down on the table. In our situation, the cards are the backlinks, and they are accessible to everyone. Obtaining excellent backlinks is a dull niche that can be difficult. Hello there, and welcome back to SEO Newsroom. Today, I'll show you 12 ways to get links utilizing ethical strategies and SEO tools to make your life easier. Backlinks are useful for SEO because they reflect a vote of trust from one site to another. Google makes clear with its search algorithm updates that this will become increasingly important in 2023. If your company isn't building quality backlinks, it's not gaining significance, and you are missing one of the most important criteria for ranking higher in search engine results pages. Number 1. Ask Guest Blog. Guest blogging is a great strategy to get white hat backlinks. Guest blogging helps sites find new blog post ideas and fill their content calendar with minimum effort. Find industry, product, or service-related guest post sites to tell Google your web page is a trusted resource. Number 2. Ask your partners. Request a link if you work with a company or are a favored vendor. Since you've established a business relationship with a business, they'll be more likely to link back to you. Many companies include a partner page to list their partners. If they are not linked to your site, this should be a simple request for a credible white hat backlink. Number 3. Ask for credit where credit is due. Your business may be cited without credit. Since you performed a service, both times your business should get a backlink. Request a backlink from customers or partners who mention your brand on their websites. If a company cites your research, it should link to you. To identify websites discussing your business, use Google Alerts. You will get an email when a website mentions your business. Number 4. Leverage brands and influencers to share your products or services. Find an industry blogger or influencer to review your goods. Send your goods or services for free to the relevant blog genre or influencer to get a review. If you have a bigger budget, you may also pay macro influencers for honest comments. Link the blog or influencer to your product or service. This link building activity involves more work but generates better traffic. This audience is pre-qualified and interested in your product or service, boosting conversion rates. Number 5. Create engaging visual content. Original visuals assist 41% of marketers to achieve their aims. Why do marketers prioritize visual content? It's easily digested and shared. It's easy to boost content sharing with visuals. Number 6. Publish original research. A recent study indicated that 94% of respondents carefully evaluate how their knowledge will benefit the recipient. Informative content is shared more. Expertise and original research can make you a trusted content source. White hat backlinks are earned when consumers, blogs, or businesses cite your research. Number 7. Build a useful free tool. Build quality white hat backlinks by creating a free tool or a light version of your solution. It also generates leads. Adobe offers free or lighter versions of Acrobat Reader and Photoshop Express. These let consumers try out the product and may urge them to upgrade to a paid account to maximize its potential. Number 8. Publish ultimate and step-by-step guides. Ultimate guides are the ultimate resource on a topic. Consumers want to learn more since ultimate implies you have the best, most in-depth expertise on the issue. Step-by-step guides make learning something easier. Guides can assist a company to build backlinks. Number 9. Use citations. These directories also receive traffic and can help consumers find your business. Google and other popular search engines acquire the majority of searches. Your backlink profile grows with every directory listing. Number 10. Leverage public relations. Public relations plans are great for industry authority and also boost backlinks. For instance, every news release your company publishes provides a backlink. Public relations include sharing links on social media. Resharing your content can help you get more backlinks. Number 11. Create an Ask the Experts blog post. Asking others for opinions on a topic might improve your writing and provide new knowledge. The contributor might also include their link in your post to boost their backlink profile. Number 12. Mine for broken links. Broken links hurt site users. Broken link construction is time-consuming, yet it can help SEO-focused sites build backlinks. Now that you've learned these powerful link-building strategies, it's time to get started and test these techniques out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.